Zooty is a micro-mobility electric vehicle for patrolling and utility use cases for factories, campuses, malls, hospitals, and large spaces. Its standing nature provides enhanced vigilance, with a top speed of 20 km per hour and a range of 20 km. We identified this as an underserved segment, where today our guards or security have to travel hundreds of meters locally for patrolling, surveillance, and stuff, which they currently do with their foot or by their own personal vehicle. It hampers them from providing immediate assistance when needed, and to counter that, administration have to deploy a double workforce for the same work. Zooty is meant for our law enforcement specialists such as guards, security, staff, administration, who are not only safeguarding the property but also ensuring smooth general administration. Golf carts won't be too efficient for them as it comes with its own physical limitations. They port items, documents, papers, water cans, and more, which they can now easily carry on Zooty and maneuver around. Zooty can also be carried in a lift, giving the complete access of the facility to the rider within minutes. The technology that goes into Zooty is entirely indigenous, which ensures that the data, its monitoring and control remains within the borders. It's a first of its kind vehicle which caters to most of the requirements and challenges faced by the guards on a daily basis. Zooty can be rented, which will help you reduce your number of staff while increasing their effective vigilance. In our future upgrades, we look to make Zooty self-driven for autonomous patrolling and to charge itself at the dock.